We're ready for our new vocabulary list. This is our new vocabulary list, and so we're going to go over them. I've also attached it as a file to Google Classroom so you can look at it under today's date. But let's look. Appeal. Appeal is to make an earnest request. If I say, I appeal to you, please turn in your papers, that's me begging. I appeal to you, please. Some people if they don't like a judge's decision, they think it was unfair, they can sometimes appeal to a higher court or different things. So this is appealing, to make an earnest request or an appeal. Character. Character. This is what a person is. This is a person's feelings, beliefs, thoughts, and behavior. Character. A person's beliefs, feelings, thoughts, behavior. That is your character. Cluster. Cluster is a group of similar items. For example, grapes. You can see that they come on a cluster. They're all grouped together. You might notice and put things in clusters if you notice that things are alike or similar. Especially if you are looking at patterns or different things, you might say, oh, I'm going to put all the squares together, or I'm going to put all the triangles together in one cluster. All right, these are a group of similar items. Determine. Determine is to say, I'm going to make a decision. If you are determined, you will make a decision. Emotion. If someone says you're emotional, that's not really a bad thing. Emotion means you have strong feeling. You have emotion, strong feeling. Inside out, that's what I think of for emotion. Fragrant. Fragrant is smelling good. You might know this word from seeing perfumes or colognes, and they will say, we are selling fragrances. Something that is fragrant is like a sweet perfume, or fragrant is smelling good. What are your favorite fragrances or different things that are fragrant? You want to know what one of my favorite fragrant scents is? One of my favorite fragrances is the smell of cookies, chocolate chip cookies baking in the oven. Isn't that just an amazing smell? So fragrant. What's yours? All right, another one is noble. Having or showing greatness of character. Okay, someone who is noble, they are showing greatness of belief, thought, or behavior or feeling. This is what makes them noble. Okay, so someone that's noble, maybe they are true or honest. You know, I think of sometimes of the knights, or maybe some famous people, or I was gonna say famous Christians. But you know what? You can also be noble, having greatness of character. Just decide today that you're going to be noble. The next one is seize. Seize is to grab suddenly or take by force. When I think of seize, I think of I don't know why. It reminds me of a Disney movie when someone is doing the wrong thing. They go, "Guards, seize them!" Or they might say, "Dogs, seize!" And then the dogs go chasing, and they go chasing after the person or the animal or something. This is seize, to grab suddenly or take by force. When a person says, "Dogs, go seize them," they're saying, "Go get them." All right. Same with when they're saying, "Guards, seize things." They're saying, grab suddenly or take it by force. Next is sowing. He which soweth sparingly shall reap also sparingly. He which soweth bountifully shall reap also bountifully. When you're sowing, you're taking those seeds and you are planting them. So sowing is planting. Twilight, early evening, just after sunset.